leXsolar Wind Professional Experimental Training Kit, which offers practical orientated experiments for technical training while including interesting basic experiments at the same time. We will demonstrate a sample test which is going to be real with our experimental system. The base of the experiment is the base unit with the ground and different connections, where 4 modules can be connected in series or in parallel. You need a wind machine module which is plugged into the base unit and operated by the power supply. Cables and power supply are featured with so-called safety plugs which are plugged into the base unit. The wind generator module is also needed. Negative outlet is connected with the ground of the base unit. For the assembly of the rotor, several parameters are available. We can choose between an optimized blade profile and a windmill profile. We can choose between the number of airfoils, 1, 2, 3 or 4. The angle of attack of the rotor blades can also be varied. In each case, the angle of attack is printed on the back of the hub. 3 optimized blade profiles with an angle of attack of 25 order suit best. For the assembly of the rotor, the airfoils are inserted into the hub with a rounded side facing up. The hub head is slightly pressed on the rotor. Now we have finished assembled rotor with an angle of attack of the rotor blades of 25 order. Plug the rotor in the wind generator and the wind machine is turned on. The rotor starts spinning and we want to have a look at the quantitative aspects. While connecting the digital multimeter, we switch off the wind machine so that there is no risk of injury. Wire the multimeter to the base unit and measure the voltage generated by the wind generator. Turn on the wind machine. The wind generator produces a voltage of 3.8 volts. To measure the speed of the wind generator, we need the RPM counter. While directing the scanning point onto the rotor blades, read off the speed. Divide the speed by the number of rotor blades, in this case 3. Analyze the impact of the angle of attack on the voltage and the speed of the wind generator module. Change the angle of attack of the rotor blades and use a new hub with an angle of 50 order. After inserting the blades into the hub, its head is slightly pressed on the rotor. Fix the rotor module on the wind generator and switch on the wind machine. The voltage produced by the wind generator is significantly lower and also the speed is in a much lower range. The experiment could be continued with other angles such as 20, 30 or 90. Alternatively, take the curve for each angle of attack and compare them among themselves.